Google Chrome and Google Search. In this video, you'll learn about the Chrome Web Store, apps and extensions, search and Omnibox, and your digital footprint.
The Chrome Web Store. So, there are many options inside the Chrome Web Store. You have the ability to search for apps and extensions. Apps and extensions used to be two totally separate things. They ran in different ways, but Google is phasing out support for apps in lieu of using extensions. So right here you can see if I go in here, there's a place for extensions. There's also a place for themes. So y'all saw my pretty background with the music for Google. That's actually a theme, and I could go in here and I could pick a different theme for my Chrome browser, and that would follow me anywhere I go. Extensions or think of them as little programs that run inside your Chrome browser. We're all stuck at home right now, so there's actually a really neat Netflix extension where if you watch Netflix inside your Chrome browser using this extension, you can do a Netflix party. You can watch Netflix with your friends and talk about it at the same time. Google Hangouts an extension, Google Classroom's an extension, Google Translate's a great one. So they basically have extensions for anything you can think of. Some of these are created by Google and they're free. Some of them are created by others and they might cost money. So look, before you start downloading stuff, make sure you understand what you're getting into, because you do give permissions to some of these extension creators. You need to be aware of what you are doing and who you're giving permission to. So I can search right here for free, and here's a bunch of extensions, but I want to show y'all some of mine up here. So I have Google Drive right here. I have a photo editor. This is actually one of my favorite extensions. It's called Editor. I use this all the time in the EDD program, and it is a way for you to bookmark and highlight. It's very nifty. I save all of my research in there. If you looked at Google Classroom, you saw that I had Cami, and I can make a Cami assignment. Cami is an extension. It's a PDF annotator. It's very neat also. Google Scholar, I can hit that, and I can search for anything inside of Google Scholar specifically if I'm looking for a scholarly article. I have an extension right here for Google Calendar. I have an extension for pop-outs on YouTube, so I can actually watch a YouTube video, pop it out, and it comes out in a little bitty box that I can then move around my screen so I can watch YouTube videos while I'm doing other things. I record all of my videos that y'all are seeing using an extension called Screencastify. It's a very great way to record videos and do a screen share within them. I love Wakelet. Wakelet's my kind of like organization method. Amazon, we all do shopping, right? Screen Splitter, this will split my screen into easily split it into two different windows so that I can run data on two different windows at the same time. So there are basically extensions for everything you can think of. You can go up and search in here for anything. They do download into your Chrome browser, and you'll see them all aggregated up here. And I actually found a way to hide them, but I can't remember what I did now. Hide in Chrome menu. So you can go in here and you can move them so that they're still in there, but you don't have them popping up right there. And here they are at the top. So bookmarks help you to organize websites. Extensions are think of them like little applications that run inside a Chrome browser. So the next thing we are going to look at is Google Search. I want to show y'all real quick. When they first came out with searching the internet, you had to go in and be pretty precise about what you were looking for. But you had, if you were typing something up here in this top box, you had to have the exact web address. Google has made this into what they call an omni box. If you click up here, you can now actually use it not just to put in a web address like www.google, but I could also do a web search on Google. So when did Google start? I can put it up here in the omni box and search for it and see September 4th, 1998 is when Google was founded. So, that is an option that we didn't have in the past. It was exact web addresses at the top and then using the search bar on the main page to search for content. I do want to tell y'all that I highly suggest you stop as soon as this video is over and Google search yourself and look at what your digital footprint is. A lot of people do not realize how much information is out there about them on the internet. So it's very good for you to understand what is out there and to be aware that anything you put on the internet, you should consider that somebody has screenshot it and saved it somewhere. So be cognizant of things you post on social media. A lot of that is searchable, and you don't want in 15 years one of your students wandering across your old social media account from undergrad where you're posting all your crazy videos. So be aware of your digital footprint. Go ahead, go into Google, search your name and your location and see what's out there. As always, if you have any questions, let me know.